It's actually affected it quite a bit. The first thing you need to do that's maybe different than the past is you need to engage with your supply chain partners as early as possible in the design process. Commonly, people will wait till they're well into prototyping and early stage development, before they even look. So it's really important that you get beyond DigiKey, find out what the actual manufacturers are doing and whether this part is going to be available in sufficient volumes at the time that you're going to be producing. The second thing to look at very closely is second sourcing. So, obviously it's a lot easier to pick the best part and just go with it. But given the shortages and unpredictability, it's a very good idea to think about your design. Is there an alternate part that I could use here? Are there 2 different parts or 3 different parts that I could place here so that if one becomes unavailable, the other one can be used? And then thirdly, kind of as a last ditch, but in some critical projects, I've seen this done a lot, or also on an emergency basis, is actually having a backup design that uses a different set of components. So if you're using a couple of key chips that maybe are in short supply, you might have to make a second design using some different chips, and you keep in your back pocket, or maybe even design it and test it to make sure that you've got 2 alternates available should you have shortages.